Hiroshima, a modern city in Japan's Honshu Island, was largely destroyed by an atomic bomb during World War II. Today, Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park commemorates the 1945 event. In the park are the ruins of Gimbakudome, one of the few buildings that was left standing near Ground Zero. There are two World Heritage Sites in Hiroshima. One is the Hiroshima Peace Memorial, known around the world as the Atomic Bomb Dome. The Atomic Bomb Dome is the most symbolic building in Hiroshima City, standing only meters away from the hypocenter of the atomic bomb blast. It has become a beacon for the world's prayer for peace and an end to the nuclear weapons. This is okonomiyaki. It's a Japanese savory pancake containing a variety of ingredients in a wheat flour-based batter. Another World Heritage Site in Hiroshima is Itsukushima Shrine. Itsukushima Shrine is one of the most significant shrines in Japan, and the only shrine in the world built on top of the water. The view of Itsukushima Shrine has long been considered one of the three finest views in Japan.